Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, excuse me. And welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Happy New Year still. And welcome to a quick video on SAI. Your daily update almost. I mean, I've been covering this daily or almost daily, basically since the launch here, the 18th of December. And then technically the launch, obviously not of the project. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts today as well. I mean, in the end, SAI has been pretty stable for the last 24 hours. We tested the level around 55 cents, which is our main support right now. Technically, it goes all the way down to 50 cents. Most of you know this. But this is the main support. So we touched that, found strong support. So overall, I mean, at this moment, SAI is still very bullish. But the thing is, and this is the difficulty I have with SAI, it's pretty difficult to analyze. And it's pretty difficult to predict. And I'll tell you why. Very simply said, it's just that it's giving off mixed signals. And that could be because it's partially manipulated. I mean, SAI could be great. I think the technology is great. I don't think it's used that much yet. But quite a lot of big traders and big investors are behind it. So then it can still do well. But if you look at the volume and where it's coming from, you'll see a ton of volume from Upbit, Bithumb, Pionex, which to me indicates manipulation. So it's really giving off mixed signals because the volume is also dropping. Technically, SAI is still very, very bullish. But then if you look at the open interest, which is the momentum, what you'll see is that it's stable. So that makes it very hard to assume what's going to happen. And in the event that it's difficult to say what's going to happen with a crypto, you always have to assume continuation. So right now, the current market structure is obviously bullish. All right, I mean, if you don't call this bullish, then I don't know what is. But the market structure on the micro scale is that we are in some sort of a small consolidation here on top of 50 cents and between 65 cents. And then the big question is the most likely scenario is that we continue this market structure. So that would mean a breakout above 64 and 65 cents right here, and a continuation up to 70 and 75 cents. This is most likely purely technically, because purely technically, you always have to assume the market structure continues. And then apart from that, I mean, the volume is dropping, but the open interest is still up there. It's still very high. And like I said, SAI fundamentally has great potential. So this is most likely in my eyes as well.Maybe after a couple of days more of consolidating, I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But this is most likely. The thing though is that you should only look at SAI once we actually got that bullish breakout. Because what could potentially still happen because of those mixed signals is that we start falling. And like I said, I mean, the support is also way stronger than the resistance. So I definitely do think a bullish breakout is more likely, but I cannot give you any guarantees. Look, sometimes I'm very certain about a certain analysis and what's going to happen. But right now with SAI, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 65 cents and then drop down to 50 cents. I would be surprised if that breaks. For now, I think that a drop down to 50 cents is possible, but then we'll just consolidate. And stay in this range between 65 and 50 cents. So I did a lot of talking. I'm not sure if it's clear. It's not really clear to me what I think because I'm not that sure. But overall, what I expect is that we'll stay in this market structure and eventually, which could be today, we'll break above 65 cents and get up towards 75 and 70 cents. That's what I think is most likely based on everything I see, technically and fundamentally. So if you do have any questions about that, if you want to discuss it, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signals group. Very valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.